If you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening success. And when it comes to knives, there are a few key factors to consider, such as blade shape, size, and material. So, join us as we unveil the best garden knives on the market. Considering factors like blade sharpness, handle comfort, and overall versatility. We'll also provide tips on how to choose the right knife for your specific needs, and how to maintain your tools for years of dependable use. Number 1. NISAKU NJP650 Stainless Steel Knife. This is proudly made in Japan, and you can instantly feel the quality in your hands. The Japanese stainless steel blade comes with inch markings. The NISAKU NJP650 strikes a perfect balance between size and weight. With a 7.25-inch blade and a comfortable wood handle measuring 5.25 inches. It's easy to handle. It weighs in at just 10 ounces, making it a breeze to carry around and use for extended periods. Number 2. AKAKD H813 Gardening Knife. It's made from 8K14 Movi steel, which is known for its wear resistance and sharpness. The handle is a composite material fused to the blade with 4 sets of rivets, ensuring a solid and durable construction. It features both a knife edge and serration, which come in handy for various tasks. The knife comes with an attractive leather sheath that can be tied around your waist for easy access. It can also be a handy tool for self-defense against unexpected encounters with spiders, insects, or snakes. Number 3. WORKPRO Hori Hori Stainless Steel Garden Knife. It's not just any blade, it's double-edged. One side features sharp serrations for tackling tough tasks like cutting through large roots and wood, while the other side boasts a razor-sharp edge perfect for slicing through vegetables, ropes, and twigs. The WORKPRO Hori Hori comes with a 6-inch measuring tool on the blade. The handle of this Hori Hori garden knife is made of TRP, which means it's not only comfortable to hold, but also non-slip. Number 4. Truly Garden 48D7 S3XMRO Hori Hori Garden Knife. Truly Garden Hori Hori is a time saver in the garden. With its sturdy build, it can pop out stubborn weeds in a snap. The handle is equipped with a guard that keeps your hand protected. It comes with a heavy-duty leather sheath. It's not just for show. It's built to protect your knife when it's not in use. It even includes a sharpening rod, so you can easily sharpen both the flat and serrated sides of the blade, anytime you need to. Number 5. Black Iron ATT8475 Hori Hori Garden Knife. The Black Iron Hori Hori knife is made of high-grade stainless steel with a beveled edge for slicing and a serrated edge for cutting through tough roots. It's also rust-resistant, so it can withstand even the toughest gardening conditions. The Black Iron Hori Hori knife is very easy to use, even for beginners. The knife comes with a leather sheath to protect the blade when not in use. It also has a sturdy hardwood handle that provides a comfortable grip. Thanks for joining us on Tools Query today. We hope you found our guide to the best knife for gardening helpful. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and reviews on all things tools.